Welcome back. So let's say we also want to show a logo somewhere here. So this is what we fetched from the site information. But let's say if the user clicks on customize here and he can from here now change the site information so that we saw. So you can say number one. So it automatically reflects here. But if he also selects a site logo, let's say this one, and selects here, clicks here, OK, crop theme, then we should be able to show the user this logo as well. So how can we show that? So let's go ahead and do that. So now the logo is there, but we have to call a method that will help us show the logo. So the method that we want to call is this PHP the custom logo. And if we go back to the browser and refresh, you see there is a logo as well. Of course, this is not looking that great, but you can customize this logo and make or do some styling of your theme and it will look great. We could decide to either keep logo this description or logo also based on some if else logic that we can apply. So it's up to you now what you want to do. For us, it's fine. So I'm going to remove the logo now. For now, I will just comment this piece. So even if the logo is there, it won't be shown on our website. Slash star slash. So it won't output the logo anymore. Perfect. So we will go with this. Let's go ahead and work on this menu item to make them dynamic. So right now, let's say I'm going to go to appearance and menus. Here I don't have any menu. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a menu. So I'm going to say create menu. And in this menu, I have my home page. Then I'm going to create, let's say, some custom links for now. Contact, just dummy for now. Let's say http colon slash slash contact.com, something like that for now, just dummy links. Then I'm going to create about us for now, this, and I'm going to just say about for now, about. So now we have this menu exists. I'm going to move this one here and maybe add few more. Paste it this one and just say link 1. Paste this one for now. Link 2. Paste this one and say link 3 for now. Alright, so now we have link 1, 2, 3. So what I will do is I will take this one here for now. I will just put them as a child, one beside other, and save it. And here we already see the primary menu location. So the primary menu location, I'm adding menu 1, which is having this many menu items. I'm saving it to primary menu, save it. But if I refresh here, I don't see those menu items. I see some hard-coded items. The reason is because it is coming from our hard-coded menu templates that we have here. So inside the nav, we have UL and then li elements, and these li elements are styled and they are hard-coded. See, that's why it's not appearing. So what I will do is first I will get rid of this. So we will get rid of this item and then we will ask our WordPress to populate this menu items for us. And for that, we will take help of another WordPress method, and that is WP nav menu. And this is going to take an array. And the first item of the array would be, so let's say we will pass an array first, and then this array, the first item is theme underscore location, and we have to now say which is the location. So in functions PHP, we have already registered primary menu of our theme to be with the ID as primary. So this is the ID which we have to take and paste it here. Perfect. Then we have to pass another parameter to this array. The reason is why we want to do that is what happens is under this nav there should be a direct UL and LI. Otherwise, the styling which has been done for this theme for the static template won't work because it's done based upon nav and this ID and then the UI element, UL elements and then LI elements. So if we don't add another parameter here, which is container empty, then WordPress would do what it would do is it would add its own dummy container around it. Div or something it will add around this. And if there is if inside nav it doesn't find a direct UL and LI, then the styling would be getting distorted if it is going to add another container. So we said don't add a container, keep the container blank. So now if we go and try to refresh, what we are seeing is we are seeing our menu items appearing here, which are present here. So if I change something here, let's say about link item 1, it's a mega menu, then it's going to, this is going to change automatically without doing anything. So if I refresh, so it changes to mega menu. And if I click here contact, so it tries to go to contact.com. That's fine. So we can change the URL of these. Perfect. So now we have made our menu dynamic, but we haven't modified how we can make it selected by default. Let's do that in the next video.